Hi, Ben.
Hi, Mom.
What do you want? Your bike? Yeah, let me see.
My cool bike.
Your cool bike. Why don't you go around the Christmas tree? Let me see. Where's all the ornaments? Yes, and where else? Ready? Can you spin around? Come back to Mommy. That's it. What are you doing going behind the tree? Benjamin. You hiding out? Let's see where you are. Okay, come on over here. Let me see you in your cool bike. Come on, bring it out over here. There's no room back there. There you go. Hop on. Try to get Mom. Try to get Mommy. Woo!